Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've ever found yourself overwhelmed by too many measures scattered all over your Power BI project, today's tutorial is exactly what you need. By the end of this video, you'll know how to group your measures into folders, making your reports much easier to navigate, manage, and share with others. Trust me, it's a total game changer and super helpful for beginners and experts alike. So let's dive right in and get started. So first, let's take a quick look at the report view. You might notice, just like I often do, that it can get really crowded when you have tons of measures in your model. They're all listed individually, and trying to select or control each measure one by one can feel like you're trying to find a specific paperclip in a drawer full of office supplies. Not exactly the most efficient way to work, right? That's exactly why grouping your measures is so helpful. It brings structure and organization to your workspace, letting you find related calculations in a snap. To start with organizing these, you'll want to shift over to the model view in Power BI. That's the area where you see your tables, fields, and measures laid out visually, which makes this process much simpler. Now here, where we get hands-on, holding down the Control key on your keyboard, just click once on each measure that you want to bring together into a group. Take your time here, especially if you've got quite a few measures floating around. Sometimes it helps to pause and double-check you've selected the right ones. Control clicking lets you cherry-pick just the right measures, like picking only the red jelly beans from the bowl. Once you have all your chosen measures selected, look to the right side of your screen and expand the Properties pane. If you don't see it, just check that it hasn't collapsed. Sometimes it likes to hide itself on the side out of view. In the Properties pane, you'll spot a field called Display Folder. This is where the magic happens. Type the name you want for this new group, something clear and memorable, like sales KPIs or financial measures. Press Enter, and just like that, all those measures are now neatly grouped together under a folder. It's almost like putting books on a bookshelf rather than having them piled on the floor. Now, what if you ever decide you want to rename your folder? No worries at all. Just select all the measures in that group again, go back to the Properties pane, and in the Display Folder field, type in the new name. Power BI will automatically update the folder for you, no need to redo anything or start from scratch. It's that easy. And if you ever want to delete a group folder altogether, maybe you don't need it anymore or you want to reorganize, simply select all the measures inside that group, then erase the display folder name you previously set. Press Enter and your measures will jump back out into the main list just like they were at the start. Nothing gets lost, just a tidy removal of the folder, and that's it. You've just learned how to group, rename, and delete folders for your measures in Power BI. It's a small tweak, but it makes your experience so much smoother, especially as your projects grow in complexity. If you found this walkthrough helpful, please give this video a thumbs up. And if you have any questions or suggestions for future tutorials, drop them in the comments below. I love hearing from you. And don't forget to subscribe for more Power BI tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.